Did you know that sneezing can actually mean playfulness? It's one of those things not many people actually probably understand or realize is that sometimes when dogs start playing and they start getting along with each other, one of them will actually sneeze on purpose or make a sound similar to a sneeze. It can also mean an invite to play as well. I've got a video for you just following this, so watch it for just a little bit. You'll see the first sneeze, you'll see some shake-offs, and then you'll start to see some more sneezes as the dog actually backs up too. So it's a very cool catch. It's with George, our Welsh Terrier that everybody knows and loves so well. Also a Swiss Mountain Dog, which is my dog Gemma. So this is one of the first few times they get together to play. So there's a feeling out period. So it's really fun to watch as well. So you'll see the feeling out period, and then it'll turn into this playfulness, and then you'll start to see the sneezes come in. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Hope you have a great day. There's an invite. See, that's different. I don't think those two have ever played. See, Ranger had to shake it off. Ranger. He's being so soft, too. I don't know if you know, so sneezing is common with this, with playfulness.